What is that sleep yesterday you gave me? That mantra, Nishinga mantra. There was one extra mantra. Yeah, what everyone sleep this. Namaste. Narasimhaya. Prahlada. Ladini. Hiranna. Kasipur. Bhaksha. Silatanka. Nakhalay. Namaste. Narasimhaya. Prahlada. Ladadaini. Hiranna. Kasipu. Bhaksha. Silatanka. Nakhalay. Namaste. Narasimhaya. Prahlada. Ladadaini. Hiranya. Kasipu. Bhaksha. Silatanka. Nakhalay. Ito nisinga paratu nisinga. Yatu yami tato nisinga. Bahir nisinga. Hridayi nisinga. Nisinga madhyam. Esabadhrita narahadi rupa. Jaya Jagadisha Hari. Jaya Jagadisha Hari. Jaya Jagadisha Hari. Again repeat the first month. Namaste Narasimhaya. Prahlada Ladadaini. Hiranya Kasipur Bhaksha. Silatanka Nakhalay. Ito nisinga parato nisinga. Jato yami tato nisinga. Bahir nisingho hriday nisinga. Nisinga madhim saranam prapadde. Tabakara kamala varena kama singam dalita hirana kasipu tana vengam kesabadrita narahari rupa jaya jagadisha hari. Jaya Jagadisha Hari. Jaya Jagadisha Hari. The first one again repeat. Namaste Narasimhaya. Prahlada Ladadaini. Hiranya Kasipur Bhaksha. Silatanka Nakhalay. The meaning of this mantra, that I offer my humble obeisance to Lord Nishinga, who is the source of bliss to Prahlada. But Hiranyakasipu Bhaksha, his father Hiranyakasipu, on his chest, the nails of his finger is just like chisel cutting the stone. The same personality of Godhead is Prahlada Ladadain. Allada means pleasure. For Prahlad, Prakishtarupena Allada, Prahlad. A devotee is, being always in Krishna consciousness, naturally is in blissfulness. And still more when he meets or associates with his Lord, still more blissfulness. That is the position of the theist devotee. Whereas the atheist non-devotee he is always feeling like a strike of the chisel, like what you call stone cutting chisel, nakhalai, simply by the nails of his finger.